ବାହାରିଲା ନୂଆଖାଇ ଲଗନ ଏସୁର କେଭେ ନୂଆ ଖାଇବେ କେତେବେଲେ ନୂଆ ଖାଇବେ ପରମ୍ପରା ଅନୁସାରେ ଇତାର ଲଗନ ଆଜି ବାହାରିଛେ। পরম্পরা অনুসারে সমগ্র বলাঙ্গীর জেলার জ্যোতিষ পণ্ডিত মহাসভার নবান্ন লগ্ন নির্ণায়ক কমিটির সিদ্ধান্ত অনুসারে পূর্বতন পাটনা স্টেট তথা মহারাজাঙ্কর ইষ্টদেবী মা পাটনেশ্বরী আর মা সমলেশ্বরীঙ্কর রাশি নক্ষত্র অনুসারে এসুর ভুদ মাসর উঁকিয়া পক পঞ্চমী তিথি সেপ্টেম্বর মাসর 9 তারিখ রবিবার দিনর বিশুদ্ধ তুলা লগন্তি দিনর 9:35 নু 10:07 ভিতরে সমগ্র বলাঙ্গীর জেলানে নুয়াখাই বিধি অনুষ্ঠিত হেবা। শৈলশ্রী প্যালেস পাটনা মহারাজাঙ্কর হাউস হোল্ড অফিস তরফনু ই সূচনা দিয়া যাইছে।
স্যার আপনার পরিচয় টিকে দেবে।
ମୁଁ ହେଲି ଶ୍ରୀ ସନ୍ତୋଷ କୁମାର ଦାସ ରାଜପୁରୋହିତ ପାଟଣା ଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଟ୍।
ଆଜି ନୂଆଖାଇ ପାଇଁ ଲଗ୍ନ ଧାର୍ଯ୍ୟ କରାଯାଇଛି ଶୈଳଶ୍ରୀ ପ୍ୟାଲେସ୍ ଠାରେ, କ'ଣ କହିବେ ଏହାକୁ ନେଇକି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ତ ଅତ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଆନନ୍ଦିତ ଏବଂ ମୁଁ ଏ ଲଗ୍ନଟା ଜ୍ୟୋତିଷମାନଙ୍କ ସହିତ ମିଶିକରି ଗୋଟେ ଧାର୍ଯ୍ୟ କରାଯାଇ ମାନେ କରିଛି। ତାପରେ ସେମାନେ ମହାରାଜ ସାହେବଙ୍କର ଏପ୍ରୁଭ୍ କରିସାରିଲା ପରେ ଘୋଷଣାପତ୍ର ଛପାଇବା ପାଇଁକି ତାଙ୍କୁ ମୁଁ ଅନୁରୋଧ କରିଥିଲି। ସେ ଘୋଷଣାପତ୍ର ଛପେଇ ଆଜି ଯେଉଁଟା ଲୋକାର୍ପଣ ହେଲା ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ସେ ଘୋଷଣାପତ୍ର ଦିଆଯିବ। ଆସନ୍ତା ଭାଦ୍ରବ ଶୁକ୍ଳ ପଞ୍ଚମୀ ତାରିଖ 8/9/2024 ରବିବାର ବିଶୁଦ୍ଧ ତୁଳ ଲଗ୍ନେ ଶୁଭ ବେଳାରେ ସକାଳ 9:35 10:07 ମଧ୍ୟରେ ଦେବାଦେବୀମାନଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ନବଫଳକୁ ବା ନବାନ୍ନକୁ ଅର୍ପଣ କରି ତାପରେ ପ୍ରସାଦ ସେବନ କରନ୍ତୁ।
CNC College Balanger. With time, efforts, and overcoming different challenges, we have now become the #1 commerce college in Odisha. We have been constantly providing outstanding education in our +2 and +3 domain. We have scaled up and started +2 science stream this year with the vision to revolutionize science education. Facing adversities made our visions stronger and more powerful. We have 15 years of proven excellence in education. Now, CNC has become a brand in the industry and it speaks for itself. Come join CNC and change the world.